What up, everybody? Welcome back to Recipejoes, and today we're going to be making chicken nachos with the girls for our friends at Rocket City Mall. So, Tori.
Yes.
Do you like nachos?
Yes.
Why do you like my nachos?
Cheese.
Cheese?
Yes!
What about you, Gabby?
I like the salt part.
Salt part?
You put salt on nachos?
Yeah.
Well, we already got salt on the nachos. We might have to do a whole bunch of extra. So we're gonna get started here, and here we go. So our nachos are ready to go into the oven. They're going into a 350-degree oven, and we're just basically letting the cheese melt, get all ooey and gooey, and we'll be good to go. So we're going to run this to the oven, and we'll be right back.
Alright, welcome back, guys. And so the nachos are done, and so now we're gonna see what it looks like. Here it comes.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
That's pretty.
So those are our nachos. Good to go. I'll let this cool off a little bit, and we're gonna try to go ahead and dig in. Wanna try it? Let's go.
I want this piece.
Because it has the most cheese.
Some of our chips got a little crunchy on the edges, but that's to be expected. And our chips are...
And I like the teeny parts. Get out.
Kevin, please stop. I'm sure all parents at home have a child just like this.
The picky one who talks about everything. We're going for the sour cream. Success. Cool. All right, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we will catch you on the next video for Gabby and Tori and me. Love y'all so much. Catch you on the next video. Peace.